Today I'm going to be showing you how I built this easy and simple desk. First you're going to want to figure out the size you want the top of the desk to be. I wanted my desk to be pretty big, and since there were already 6 feet pieces of wood at the store, I just decided to make it 6 feet, which means less cutting. But if you want something smaller, you can always cut the pieces down. You are also going to want to decide how wide you want your desk. I recommend laying the pieces of wood out at the store so you can see what it will look like. Once you've got your pieces of wood cut down to size, go ahead and lay them out and decide which side you want to be facing up. Next you're going to drill pocket holes into each piece of wood on the side that's going to be facing towards the ground. Measure and mark where you want to place each pocket hole and then go ahead and drill the holes. After you drill all the holes, go ahead and take 2 pieces, add wood glue to the sides, add the screws, and clamp the pieces together. I recommend gluing in sets of 2 and then gluing those sets together. Repeat this process until all the pieces are joined together. Since this is my first time building a desk, I wanted to go pretty simple with the legs. First I decided how tall I wanted the desk to be and cut 4 pieces to that length. Then I subtracted the width of 2 legs from the width of the table and cut 4 pieces of wood to that length. You're basically making 2 boxes. To join the pieces of wood, you're going to do the same process as the top of the desk. First, drill the pocket holes, then add glue to the sides, add the screws, and then clamp. To attach the legs to the top, you can use pocket holes and screws like we've done so far, but I decided not to because I was nervous about splitting the wood, and since I would be drilling into the top of the table, it would be hard to fix. Instead, I just added glue and then clamped everything for 24 hours. The wood glue is very strong, so this is perfectly fine. Next, I added 2 more pieces of wood to the front and back of the table. These are the same pieces I used for the top. This helps These pieces help make everything look a little nicer and also add some stability to the desk. To do this, I just added wood glue and clamps. Once all the glue was dry, the next step is to sand down everything. Once everything was sanded, I added a pre-stain and then I stained the desk. Make sure to follow the directions on the stain you use so you can get a nice even coat. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment down below.